Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Alright, you're welcome. In this tutorial, I've been asked to draw an ellipse having a major diameter of 64 millimeters and a minor diameter of 43 millimeters. I'm going to use the 4 center method. So you first draw the major diameter, that's 64. So I'm going to measure 64 on it. That's my 64. I'm going to bisect. So let me name it AB. I'm going to bisect line AB. Open to more than half. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Print more than half. Same distance, same radius. Then we join the two centers. Now you're going to pick the minor diameter. This has been given to us as 43 millimeters. So 43 divided by 2 is 21.5. We're going to measure 21.5 on both sides. Let's name here O. 21.5 is somewhere around here. So that's my point C. Then I'll stand here, open to that C, then inscribe an arc, and that'll give me my point D. Alright, so next you're going to join line AC. Then let me see this better. Then with O as center and radius A, you draw an arc for the top part. And let's name it point E. Next, you stand at C and pick point E. C, pick point E. Stand at C and inscribe an arc on line AC. So that'll give us point F. Now I'm going to bisect line AF. Stand at F, open to 1.5, inscribe an arc, stand at A, 1.5, inscribe an arc, let me complete this one. Then we draw a line through the centers. So where it intersects with the vertical, I'm going to name it J. And where it intersects with the horizontal, I'm going to name it H. Alright, so next I'll pick distance. Come transfer H to this side and J to this side. I'm going to do that. I'll pick the distance. So stand at O, open to H. Have that distance. Then I'll inscribe an arc. and that will give you my H prime. Next, I'll stand at O and open to J. Then I'll inscribe an arc upwards. And that will give you my J prime. Let's move on. Next, you stand at J prime, open to D, point D, and draw an arc. So J prime to point D, and you draw an arc. Next, you stand at J, you open to C, then you draw another arc. Next, you stand at H and open to A, then you draw an arc. It blends in with the first two arcs we drew. Same thing, H prime, open to B, let me see, open to B, then you have it. And that's how to draw an ellipse using the 4 center method.